Okay, so this is a plant cell, and then that's the plant cell right there, everything inside. Okay, so this this is a secretary vessel, and it transfers particles within the cell. This right here is the smooth endoplasmic rectum. Yes, and it is throughout the electrolytic cell, especially those responsible for the production of hormones and other secretary products. And this right here, this little squiggly paper right here, this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is pebbled by electron microscopy due to the process of numerous ribosomes on its surface. This is the nucleolus. It's in the center of the nucleus. The nucleolus is the prominent structure in the nucleus, and it produces ribosomes. And the nucleolus is inside the nucleus. The nucleus, the nucleus is the most obvious organelle in any eukaryotic cell. It is enclosed in a double membrane and communicates with the surrounding cytosol. This red thing right here, this red thing right here, is the lysome. The lysome contains hydraulic enzymes necessary for intercellular digestion. They are common in animal cells but are rare in plant cells. Okay, these little things, this squiggly paper right here is a chloroplast. Chloroplast Chloroplasts are specialized organelles found in any higher plant cells. These organelles contain the plant cell's chlorophyll, responsible for the plant's green color and the ability to absorb energy from sunlight. So this is what makes the plant green. And then these purple things right here is the ribosomes. The ribosomes are packets of RNA and protein that play a crucial role in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And then the structure of the box is the cell wall. It's the outside of a cell. The cell wall, or the cell wall has a rigid protective cell, and it's made out of polysaccharides, and it's in higher plant cells. Now, the inside of a cell wall is a cell membrane. The cell membrane is enclosed inside the cell wall. It has exposed heads of bilayer or nitrophilic, which is meaning that they are compatible with water and the outside of the cell. Now, this right here, this little paper right here is mitochondria. Mitochondria provides the energy of a cell, and it's like it gives it energy for the cell, so it makes it grow. It's the powerhouse, in other words. And this blue part right here is called the vacuole. this whole thing, the whole cell is inside, and like imagine this whole thing covered in a blue cell called a vacuole. The vacuole is a membrane. It's a sac that plays a role in intercellular digestion and the release of cellular waste products in its animal cells. Vacuoles are generally small. Now, this these right here are central zones. Central zones are microtubular organizing center MTOC. It is an area in the cell where microtubes are produced. And this yellow part right here is the Golgi. The Golgi, the Golgi apparatus is a membrane-bound structure with a single membrane. It is actually a stack of membrane-bound vessels that are important in packaging microbes for transport elsewhere in the cell. This right here is the peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are membrane-bound packets of oxidative enzymes in plant cells. Peroxisomes play a variety of roles, including converting fatty acids to sugar and assisting chloroplast in photospiration. Now, if you can see all these squiggly little lines, these little squiggly lines all around, that is called the it is called the micro and intermediate filaments, or the cytoskeleton. It is a it is it helps to maintain cell shape, but the primary importance of the skeleton is the cell motility. Let's see. This right here, these little lasagna pieces right here, it is the microtubulus. The micro,
They're part of the skeleton.
it's part of the cytoskeleton. These little things. It's just like a larger view of this. And I think that is it. Did we say secondary vessels?
Yeah.
I think we're done.
Smooth. We haven't done smooth.
Yeah, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah, we're done. I think.
You done? Yeah. All right, hang on. I'm gonna show you guys something